Retail runs the world, line and in-store, non-stop. Retail is fast, but outdated systems slow you down. Retail challenges. We deliver smart solutions. From warehouse to checkout, everything connected. Smart inventory optimization. Integrated PAs and billing system. Multi-location management. Real-time tracking. Seamless supply chain integration. Retail. E-commerce. Supermarket. Fashion. Electronics. Seamless operations, endless growth. Sell smart.